Today, we'll explore how the AKAI MIDImix control surface integrates with the MixPre. The AKAI MIDImix is a 3-knob, 1-fader per channel surface that gives flexible control over all 3 mix parameters at once. The MIDImix also features a master fader that controls the LR output. From top to bottom, the MIDImix controls trim gain, low cut, and pan. In music mode, low cut is replaced with reverb. The MIDImix allows us to mute and record arm from the default state of the surface. To solo a channel, hold the solo button and press mute. To view a channel screen in audio mode, hold the solo button and press record arm for that channel. In music mode, scroll between the channel groups with bank left and bank right. To view an individual channel, hold the bank button of the channel grouping you want to view and press record arm. Channels 1 through 4 can always be viewed in both groupings. In music mode, we can monitor during playback or recording. Hold solo and press record arm for the channel or channels you want to monitor. By going to Menu, Shortcuts, Control Surface, we have the option of adding more functionality to the MIDImix with programmable shortcuts that suit your workflow. This has been a quick look at the AKAI MIDImix, a great option to add more control to the MixPre line. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for more video tutorials.